Now, I thought you might like to see this. This is my homespun way of holding something in the greenhouse. So this is what I intend to do. I intend to use this insulated sheet. It comes when you buy something online that comes frozen. That's what the box is lined with. So that's what I intend to do, and then I need to fix them to the bars. Now you can buy these things, but they fall out quite easily. So that's what I'm going to do. So I've got some very thin 3-inch nails here. These are ones that I've pulled out of pallets actually. What I'm going to do is bend it, but I'm going to bend it so that the head, bend it in half, but the head needs to be longer than the point. Let me show you what I mean. So I'm holding it like not in the middle. Turn that like that. Now you see the head is forward of that point, and then squeeze it up. Now as you can see, the head of the nail is longer, if you like, than the point of the nail, and that is to give room in the slot. If that went past, you wouldn't have room in the slot. Then another little touch is to flatten the head so that it'll fit into the slot in the bar. Do the other one. There we go. And that should fit in the slot in the bar. So there's the bar, and I'm going to put this in there to hold this bit of insulation up. So in the slot, will it? Oops, get it there. How's that? Now that's all just ready for me to put the screwdriver in there and pull that apart. But if I want to attach something to it, like a bit of string or something, I need to do that before I jam it in there. Okay, so what we're going to do then is to put that in there, put the head in first, then the back end, and then just push it in. I've got it. Thingy in and give it a twist. And that's it. You can twist it near the end and at the bottom end as well of the nail. And then there you go. That's quite secure, isn't it? Yeah. Right, then to get it out, it's simply a case of screwdriver in, pull the head round. Oh, hold on. And out it comes. That easy.